So where did we get to the point where it's good to just paint fluoride on your teeth? I mean, that's what our kids get told. They're due for a fluoride treatment if you'd like. They just paint that on and they're good to go. Within a minute or two of leaving the office, they can eat or drink, you know, whatever they like. Where did we get to the point where that was found to be good for them?
Well, yeah, right. In my book, How to Save Your Teeth, I detailed the death of a small child who went into the dental office. They painted his teeth, handed him a cup of water. He swallowed it and he left and he got sick. And the mother said, what did you do to my kid? And he said, oh, we did now. He's got the flu. We didn't do anything to your kid. It was perfectly safe what we did. We didn't do anything to harm your child. And you silly person, go down to the physician's office downstairs. And she went down there and waited in line to get in to see the guy. And after an hour and a half of waiting, she thought the kid went to sleep. He went into a coma. They gave him a shot of epinephrine in the middle of his heart and called 911, and they transported him to the hospital, and he died while they were trying to pump his stomach. They got enough fluoride out of his stomach to kill 3 children. Neither the dentist nor the hygienist knew, they testified in court, that fluoride was a poison, much less the fact that they'd killed that kid with enough to kill 3 of his children. So they're poorly trained. Dentists don't know anything. And so if you ask them what dose of fluoride will kill a child, they won't know. And so look at the informed consent. Dear Mrs. Jones, your child may someday in the future get a cavity, and that we don't have any solution to that except to paint your child with a deadly poison. So we're going to slop some deadly poisonous fluoride on his teeth, and we're sure he's not going to swallow any of it because we're going to admonish the child not to swallow while we put all this sloppy stuff around. And we'll even give him a little spit sucker so they can kind of the stuff out, you know, in case, you know, they do that. And if they do swallow it, we'll loan you our cell phone to call 911.